Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Now this is more of a remake of a previous video I've made. So I've done a video on how to add scan lists to your Quansheng. But I don't know what I've done, but for some reason I've showed you how to change the settings on the PC for it to scan correctly, but I've not showed you how to actually take some of these channels that we've got right here. As you can see, some PMRs, some ham radio ones, and actually turn them into scan list 1 and scan list 2. So what I'm going to do is we're now on the computer on Chirp software. So we want to add certain frequencies to our scan list, and you've got two options. You've got scan list 1, you've got scan list 2. So as you can see, I am on my memories tab where I can see all of the saved frequencies. I've got some PMR frequencies with tones and win out if I want to connect to walkie-talkies. I've got different ham radio stations, VHF stations, all this good stuff I like to listen to sometimes and see what's going on. But I want to add them to a scan list. So obviously you can do a frequency scan, but I want to be able to do a memory scan. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll across, and there's a tab second to the end that says scan lists. So all we're going to do, obviously I've got this set as 1 because this is going to scan under channel list 1. We're going to click on this tab, and then we're going to have a drop down list. Now from here you choose which frequency you want to scan. So I want all these frequencies to come under scan list 1, so when I hit scan list 1, it's going to scan through all of these and listen for a noise. And then if I wanted it to be 2 like I have on these other ones, all we're going to do is change the drop down list to number 2, and it's as simple as that. I don't know what I've done with the other videos, to be honest. It was more of changing the scan list settings, which are over here. Basic settings, so as you can see, scan and resume mode, so you can just stop scanning after you receive a signal, or resume after 5 seconds if you don't hit on the rod, hit on the push to talk button to do it. There's not really much settings to change, really, more than anything. The main thing for the scan lists is just setting your scan lists up like so. It's as simple as that. So recap, download your radio, get onto the scan list tab over at the far right and choose which frequency is going to come under which scan list, or if you don't want it to come under any, we're just going to hit none. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video has been helpful, because obviously the last time was a bit of a mess up, and I'll see you all in the next one.